Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the situation when your iPhone Face ID and passwords are not displayed in the settings. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments, pause. And let's get started. Okay folks, when you go to settings on your iPhone and you scroll down, you get a section like this. Everybody has it. And as you can see, I have Face ID and password here. But what if you don't have it displayed? How do you fix that? I'm going to show you. To do that, folks, go to Screen Time, then scroll down a little bit and click on this option. Then also swipe down and find the password and Face ID. Tap on it. So friends, if you don't have the Face ID password displayed, then you will have the settings on the second item. In order to fix this, just toggle the check mark on the first item and then enter your phone password and then go back. When you go back to the settings, you will need to wait literally a few seconds for Face ID and password to appear in that list in the settings. This is the quick and easy way, friends. You can fix the situation where Face ID and passcode is not showing up in iPhone settings. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.